Ba MK amahle. Salute to the command. Isikhathi manje bafethu ukuthi sifane nemamba. Imamba iyawazi upoison wayo. Ukuthi maye siufakile na kanjani lento elumile izofa. Siufakile Mark MK upoison kwi-ANC. Njengamanje ijanqula nopoison wethu egazini layo. It's a matter of time now uthi ifanini. It's a matter of time le GNU ihlakazeka nini. Ngakho ke ma MK into esidinga manje ukuyenza. First understand upoison wethu esiwufakile kubona. Ngoba masinga understand sizobuka ireaction yabo njengamanje ba pretend as if all is well. Because ANC iyahluleka emotionally and cognitively ukubhekana ne loss ebhekene nawo njengamanje. Bangene ku second stage now of acceptance. They've taken trauma, now they're denying. They couldn't wait and deal with the pains of losses that they've gone through. They quickly created a happy situation for themselves because they can't deal with the pain. Even if you look at them post them followers abo, they speak as if ANC has won the election. They speak as if nothing has changed. ANC still has the powers that it used to have before this 2024 election. That is denial, comrades. It is denial, my MK. Elandela trauma. They've taken trauma 40% quickly. They rush to denial. Basa pege ku bargaining. Basa speculator, where they'll be facing truth as it is. Even if they try to run away from it, they'll be forced to face the truth. Just soon enough. Don't think it's going to take long for them to realize the shit they're in. The only thing that they did now, they quickly rushed to create a happy situation, which is a normal feature of denial stage when people are going through a process of grievance or acceptance. Basa salute ezu-2 phambi kwabo. Bargaining no actual acceptance. Nesting ukuyenza ke thina MK as understand ikhadi sesidlalile sibe loyal kulona sibe patient ngoba alzo produce ama results are quick like it will happen. The enemy is still denying, and denial stage bafowethu often takes longer time than any other stage. Basazongena ku bargaining and yontshela basebe bargaina bathi speculation mawuthanda kuleso sigaba usubheka ama realities akho njengoba enjalo futhi ungasakwazi ukwabalekela. So manje njengamanje understandane vele nomyeni nifakile ANC ukufaka ANC njengamanje le GNU yakhona it's just a matter of time. Seyiqalile vele ziyakhala ngaphakathi. Imistake elingayenza ke MK ukuthi nina nijike futhi ningayiboni futhi ninga-understand i-phenomenon efake i-ANC. Niqale manje nifeel pressure ukuthi buka asikho manje ku-government fabe se-government As MK we need real power. 45% was not real power for us. What kind of decisions you can take if you need to go and back the enemy to allow you to go ahead with certain changes we want to make? Tina MK, we're a transformative organization. We want to transform. And when you transform, it means you change the structure, the patterns, and the forms of oppressions in a way that will favor the liberation of the oppressed. But you can't do that with 45%. Saying KwaZulu Natal. For Keltu National Valley, it was a dream, it was a political commitment, but we knew 75%, 65% was not a reality, comrade. Let's just be truthful to that. Even those who believed in it, they must be made aware of it. That was not even a possible reality. We could only achieve that by putting EFF on our side, ACT if you perform kahle, ATM if you perform kahle, all those progressive black parties. Engicela nje kuwe kunina MK manje ake nifunda ukulinda ke manje. Ikhono esenilidinga bafowethu is suspense and detention. And detachment, I mean. Detachani ke manje musana ufeel pressure yokuthi yabo njalo KwaZulu Natal bala sifuna bebe khona ukuthi behambe beyongena government nje bengene ngale fake yabo. Bawela ngesikebhe sakhiwe ngamaphepha lapha. Matusi sizomata ushone phansi yonke lento. I tell you. So previous video ngiyenzile ngithela. Njengamanje ijanqula nomkhonto esikhonkosini. Ashintshile bafethu kunjalo. u-ANC ujomba nomkhonto enxebeni. There's no other way around. But into engasiconfuse thina manje ukubuka le happiness yabo. Le happiness yabo bafowethu from GNU is just what you call an effect of denial stage. Basazobhekana ne-truth yabo at the bargaining stage, which follows the stage abakusona njengamanje. So lindani ma-MK, down kuma-ground forces, patience. Don't feel like ungena kwenkatha izoba upremier kwi-loss MK. That is where we want them to go. Because njengamanje inkatha vele besebenzisana nabelungu siyayazi historically inkatha nje iyavekile yamabhunu lokwathi inhlo njobe singene ku-DA ngoba inkatha ingenile ku-ANC ingene ku-DA inkatha ithanda i-DA i-DA phela nabelungu kodwa zizogwevelana izinja phakathi lapha sefeyiluma iqatha izolibanga ngoba umlungu uzolidedela iqatha uzozizwa igwavuma izinja phansi lapha kuzobe konakele phakathi kwenkatha ne-ANC. Wait and see. Ngoba kule GNU kahle kahle iwini yodwa i-DA. There's nothing ANC ezoyiwina GNU. There's nothing IFP ezoyiwina GNU. I don't want to talk about NFP. They just happen to be around, those ones. Even at a national level, my MK, Thulani Mbuke njengamanje bathini vele ozile nge-appointment of ministers azolamba amaqabane ka-ANC ngoba vele amagovu lawo amadlogovu manje u-ANC bazukudla kuphela liberation kade bayikhohlwa. So ukudla kukhona uzila ngeke bekunuke le GNU le. I tell you is inkatha ke can benefit better ngoba it's a better dog. It's a better dog yinje hlonipha omncinci ithi umsila fast manje yenzo eyishoyo kunokwenza athole kosama ama-crimes anyana futhi vele they've always been happy with ama-crimes i-IFP lokwathi inhlo. So they might a little bit survive better than the ANC. But ANC esiyajwayela ukufobela into ohulumeni abantu belambile emphakathini. They'll feel the pinch at the national level. Ushoke ama-MK mina ngithi kunina ninonke, put your eyes now kuma-local elections azayo. Musani ufuna ukuqala ukuba vibrant ngoba ama-elections asekusasa. Asiqale manje. Where will take real power. Sikhiphe ikhansela sifake ikhansela. Sithatha umasipala sithatha ama-metros. Where the real power is. Seyolamba lamagovu abo-ke asemphakathini. Ngoba okwamanje kulamba lamagovu asephalamende ku-national. Kodwa yes indlala yamagovu lawa asemphakathini. Siwaphuca imisebenzi in the form of amakhansela. Siwaphuca omasipala. Siwaphuca amandla. Allocate deployment yabo beqashana bodwa uma kuthi uhlalo usebenzela umasipala indoda yakhe isebenzela umasipala inkosana yakhe isebenzela umasipala inkosazana yakhe isebenzela umasipala intombi yakhe isebenzela umasipala sizobaphuca lawo mandla bazophenduka izinja amaduze nje sibabone kahle. Kodwa ngesifike leso sigaba ama-MK uma singa-understand upoison esiwuhlabe ngawo ku-ANC njengamanje lo poison ma-MK udinga ukuthi ulinde ungena ugijime ngemthambo yegazi uzofika enhlizweni. It's not going to happen now immediately. Asibadubulanga phela sibalumile. Ivenom ke isebenza nge-blood flow. Wait ningabe senifeel pressure ma comrade, ningabe senifeel pressure ma-MK amahle, ningabe seniconfusedwa ile false celebration they are going through right now. Even the decoration labayenzayo is part of rush to be excited. It's part of denial of reality that things have changed for them. Things will never be the same for the ANC. They no longer have the power to appoint whoever they like, the way they like. They no longer have the power to bargain ngekundla the cabinet kwi-NEC to capture them to support the president who has failed, corrupt with pala things. Because that's what Ramaphosa used. He used the cabinet positions to capture the NEC. Right now he's no longer having those powers. He can't promise anybody any job until Zille approves. Mashatile njengamanje osebenze nomuntu osidayisayo zemkhalela bayalandela abanye at the national level. And sometimes hayi ngoba Ramaphosa ethanda ukhonjiwe ngemuva ngesibhamu ngcono ukuthi simphusha ngomkhodo ukhonjwe ngesibhamu ngemuva uthi hey lowa ayikhala umbalula lo loud hailer. Just give me 6 months. I want to see something. So ke manje elami lokugcina lithi qondani upoison ivenom enifake ANC understand idinga isikhathi ukuthi isebenze kahle iziyofika enhlizweni ihlakazeke yonke le nto engicela nikwenzeke nina while they are happy. banini nicreate airport la phansi yokuthi mayiseliwa leli bhanoyi lizowelaphi ngoba lona lizowa kuphela first and short aliwi nabantu bethu aliwi ne-liberation yethu aliwi nabo bonke abantu esisabadinga khandani airport njengoba bephezulu nje bona bebheke inauguration thathela amafosholo amaqabani siyobuild i-airport lelabhano liyabuya sifuna lilende kahle khona sizokwazi siphinde sitake off nalo phezulu sitransport abantu bethu kwi-liberation lesifuna baye kuyona we need that aeroplane so ngicela nifocus ekwakheni i-airport-ke laphansi ningadakwa yile excitement yabo abayiphoqayo njengamanje they know they're in deep shit one thing for sure they know they're in deep shit. The only thing that they are doing now is to deny their reality. Asilinde ma-MK ingenile Venom iyenabi Venom two things the first sense airport yokuthi masaqathela lebhanoyi uhulumeni wethu uqatheke kahle ube safe khona sokwazi phinde siwuthakise phambili nawo okwesibili first kwenza is to focus on our ground forces to campaigning for 2016 seduze kabi 2024 manje 2026 I mean 2026 not 2016 seduze kakhulu njengamanje ma comrade focus